Hello students, welcome to Shore of Sir's classes. You can reach us at www.shoreofsirclasses.com or call us or WhatsApp us in case of any queries or clarifications at 9836793076. You can also email us at shoreofsirclasses@gmail.com. So today we will be solving some IIT JAM chemistry questions from this year, that is 2018. Let's move on. So we have question number 60 in hand. The electron of an hydrogen atom is in its nth Bohr orbit, having de Broglie wavelength of 13.4 Armstrong. If you can't read it properly, this is in Armstrong. The value of n is what we have to find out and round it up to the nearest integer. The radius of nth Bohr orbit is given as 0.53 n square Armstrong, and pi is 3.14. So we should take pi as 3.14. So now we know that the Bohr radius and de Broglie wavelength are related as n lambda equals to 2 pi Rn, where the de Broglie wavelength is lambda wavelength and Rn is the Bohr orbit radius. So this is the relation between de Broglie wavelength and Bohr orbit radius, and subsequently n will be equal to 2 pi Rn by lambda. So now we know the values. So this is 2 into 3.14 into Rn has been given as 0.53 n square by 13.4, and both of these are in Armstrong. So subsequently this will be a unitless quantity. So now we need to calculate, and here n will cancel out, so we will get n equals to 13.4 divided by 2 into 3.14 into 0.53, and this will be equal to 13.4 by 3.3284. So n will come out as 4.03, and since we have to round it up to the nearest integer because n is always an integer, so the nearest integer to this quantity will be 4. So this is approximately equals to 4. So the value of n will be 4. N equals to 4. This is the answer. Thank you.